Hi, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in today. Today I'll be going over Coding Bootcamp Day 7. Oh my God, was Day 7 hectic with a huge time crunch to finish our group project. I learned a shortcut for the day, which is hold Control or Command on a Mac and press 1, 2, or 3 to navigate between the different tabs you have open within Visual Studio Code. We did a group presentation. We presented the presentation that had everything that the instructors asked for. We had a landing page, a logo, a copyright area, a header and a footer, the navigation area, as well as photos and text within H1s and paragraph article sections with div classes as well, and different classes to each section. So we were able to break it down and use a lot of Flexbox, and we were able to completely keep pushing this to GitHub to keep up. So committing to GitHub and pulling down, putting in pull requests for 2-3 reviews. It was pretty hectic that day to finish up the last of our CSS and the last of our HTML. We finished I did make a big mistake within, and I forgot to use BEM and pushed it. So I kind of broke everybody else's website. So I had to go back in and do Portugal __ and whatever the tag was to make sure it did not break theirs or mess with theirs, but only my page. And then it changed everybody's navigation bar too. By mistakes, I forgot to do that one navigation bar tag. And it changed everybody else's bars, but it actually looked really nice, so we decided to keep it. We learned a lot of lessons when it comes down to committing at GitHub and doing pull requests. We also learned what not to do. After we each did our presentations for our individual page, we spoke about what we learned. I learned to always check my branch name and to make sure my branch, I'm in the correct branch within the terminal as well as in Visual Studio Code, but also how to read others' codes and approve their codes after looking over it. I also learned that if you use export const, it allows you to import a function into the main module. And I worked on adding script tags within the module to our index.html page. And then I committed these changes every time I made a little change. And I got a little more comfortable with functions, but I definitely need to work more on them. And we went over some examples on the proper way to format your right now I think we're using what's called like a fat arrow, I think, or something like that within functions. So I have to really go over some of those, handwrite some out from memory, and keep working on until I learn the correct structure and how to put the different elements within there. And then how to remember to do a return at the end of that function so that it can be called. And that was the most of the day. It was pretty busy due to the presentations, but we did go over a little JavaScript. So I'm pretty excited to see what the next day leads to. So I hope you have a good day, and thank you so much for watching. Please check out my podcast, The Smiling Minimalist, as well as my website, thesmilingminimalist.com. And I hope you have a wonderful day and pursue the dreams that you want to, even if they're big and scary. Go for it. Bye.